What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is actually Tuesday. We were back at Sparrow's nest. Yesterday we were here as well, but I didn't make a video here. I do have a clip that I'm going to throw in this because the blasters are here, and when they did their first blast, it went sideways and blew in on top of all of our plumbing that's in over here. And unfortunately, it broke a lot of it. I guess they miscalculated a little bit on what was going to happen, and now we got some damage to clean up. But this was all covered with blasted rock. I'll throw a clip in right now and let you guys see what that looked like. It was a big mess. They just cleaned it up this morning. But after they were done with that, we came in and got all of the plywood done on the roof here. All of the sides of this front building are done, and then we started wrapping around this building here. So we got a lot of work done yesterday, but now the crane is here. Well, the crane operator is here. The crane was here all weekend, and we are getting ready to set these trusses. I will set this up on a time lapse. We're going to start down here and work our way all the way across and get this done. We're not worried about getting this watertight right now because we don't have any rain until, I believe, Saturday. So we have all week to get this watertight. No big deal right now. The excavators are here cleaning out all of this rock, so hopefully they get a big jump on that. Obviously there's a ton of rock over there that needs to get cleaned up, but I think we're just about ready to set these trusses. So I'm going to set this up on a time lapse, and I will see you guys when we're done.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we just finished all of these main trusses in here for the kitchen, as far as we can go because we still have some framing to do out here. But this is all cathedral ceiling in here, so we're moving on to these trusses. We have 4 of them in already, and they're dropping the 5th one right now. But it was slow moving here getting these all set. This end down here, the first couple were about as far as the crane could reach. We had to slide them by hand a little bit. It wasn't terrible, but we got it done. So these ones are moving a lot quicker. You got a shorter reach for the crane, plus they're a lot lighter being that they're cathedral. So moving on to that end of the building.
casa, estoy jalando. Mira, no contaste. Yo no manejar de grúa. Yo, bueno, hay que correr del cuique. Haciendo, está haciendo.
Hang on. What are you hitting my hand for with your hammer?
I try to push the...
Just trying to get to the line, that's it.
I try to push a little bit, that way.
You push my finger?
Oh, yo no veo tu fingerito.
Right there, right there.
No, he did from defense.
Alright guys, I am out here where all of this blasting happened, and the excavator was here all day getting rid of this rock. But it looks to be pretty broken up, and I don't think that we're gonna have any issues getting this out of here. They're pretty far down already, and well, over here they're back up because they've been piling it. But they've been trucking it out of here all day. They're done for today, but I'm assuming tomorrow and probably the next couple days they'll be back here getting rid of all of this. So as you can tell, there is a ton of rock here. Now I'm back up about probably 20 to 30 feet above level. But we're pretty much wrapping it up for today. We're gonna get a couple more of these trusses in and call it a day. The sun is starting to go down quick. We are gonna be in winter in no time, but we have not many left, probably 10 to 15 trusses. We're that far end of the building. I'll run down there real quick and take a look at it. Maybe 20 trusses. It's every 2 feet on center for the trusses, so that probably is, let's see, we can count the plywood. 1, 2, yeah, it's probably about 40 feet, maybe a little bit longer. So about 20 trusses left. I don't know how far they're gonna go today. I'm getting out of here to go help my brother put a new exhaust on his car. He called me and needs to get that done, so I get to leave a little early. It's not super early, it's 4:45, so it's really not that early. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.